Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ORAIDEX token, ORAIDEX, which is short for decentralized exchange. That is the name of the project, and the token is ORAIX. That is the ticker symbol, and this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 29th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So recently I did a video on the chain, ORAICHAIN, which is the same project here. ORAICHAIN is the full name of the blockchain there. And this is a brand new token called the ORAIX token. And this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 29th at 14 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get the ORAIX token, all you would have to do, first of all, if you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol ORAIX, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So ORAIX is the governance and utility token of the ORAIDEX, which is designed to balance its inflation from rewards and spending from utility fees as follows. So number one, the utilities here is, number one is pay meta staking fees. Number two, pay pool creation fees. Pay the ORAI bridge fees, NFT bridge fees, and buy airdrop NFT tickets of newly listed projects on ORAIDEX. So the difference here is that they have the actual chain, and I posted a video on that recently, so that video is more about the blockchain. And I believe the ticker symbol for the actual chain is ORAI. And then this token for their decentralized exchange is ORAIX. So that's the difference. So this token is having specifically to do with the DEX, the decentral exchange. And then that coin that I did a video on that you could check out on my channel has to do with the blockchain, but they're both the same project. Hopefully that makes sense. Now, also I mentioned this token can be used for governance, so fee structures, meta staking policies. Now the total supply of this token here is 1 billion tokens. Now 30% goes to staking rewards, including fair drop and initial listings. 50% of the tokens goes to liquidity mining incentives. 15% developer pool, 5% community pool. And then we have the listing price. It says listing price on ORAIDEX will be voted by ORAI holders. And so then they have this, but this doesn't apply to MEXC. So they have different wallets that they talk about that you could hold the ORAICHAIN in on their white paper, which you could find at docs.orai.io. They have a full white paper there. They have general information about the blockchain details here. So it says ORAICHAIN supports COSM-WASM smart contracts at the moment, and it will enable EVM smart contracts later on, and uses the Cosmos ecosystem as well. So you can learn more about that in the video that I did earlier this week if you want to learn about that. But then they have specifically about the DEX. So that's what we're going to talk about here. So the ORAI chain has evolved into AI layer 1 for data economy and Oracle services with a high throughput, more decentralization, and supporting both COSM-WASM and EVM smart contracts in order to bring more liquidity, users, and transactions to the ORAI chain. ORAIDEX has built the first DEX on the ORAI chain. So that's what this project is. So ORAIDEX is a COSM-WASM smart contract-based decentralized exchange platform with multi-chain interoperability, optimal speed, and a lot of liquidity options for users. So some of the features of their decentralized exchange involves token bridging, so moving the native token for data from Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and other networks to ORAI chain and vice versa. They have the ORAI swap, easy token swapping, streamlined liquidity provision and farming with profitable annual percentage rate. It's IBC compatibility, so allowing trustless communication between ORAI, Atom, Luna, UST, Crow, and Osmo. And the NFT bridge. So relocating NFT assets from ORAI chain to other networks like Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain and vice versa. And then the token here, we already went over the info on that. They have the contracts on here. You can find them at scan.orai.io. And they have all those in their document section where you can learn about that. And yeah, just tons of information on this white paper if you want to learn all about the chain, the DEX, all that type of stuff. You can find their Twitter right here at ORAIDEX. And you can see that on this Twitter right here, they have links to their other projects on the platform, like ORAICHAIN has their own Twitter there that you can check out. And then they have the ORAIDEX webpage right there, oraidex.io. 2,139 followers on this Twitter so far, 177 tweets, so check all that out. And they also have their own Telegram that you could follow at ORAIDEX too, that only has 200 members on it so far. So this DEX is very brand new. The chain is a little bit older. But yeah, go check out this new token here. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there, especially that MEXC global one where this token is being listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.